Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. On this video, I'll be tackling the 10th question from the preliminary exam which was written in the year of 2023 at the Torah Academy. Please do expect a total number of 12 videos since the question paper had 12 questions in total. And that simply means each and every question will have its own video. And please guys, do take this seriously. I strongly believe that knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write your preliminary exam and most importantly, your final examination. So please do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as you. And please guys, do help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Okay, we are told that 9 politicians are seated in a row for a photograph. In how many different ways can the 9 politicians can be seated? The 9 politicians, guys, can be seated in 9 factorial ways. Are you together? In 9 factorial ways. And then now we are being asked, in how many different ways can the 9 politicians be seated if Mr. Zhu refuses to sit next to Mr. Ra? Okay. There is a total number of ways that these 9 politicians can be seated. Are you together? And then there is a number of ways that Mr. Zhu and Mr. Ra sit together. Are you together? And also there is a number of ways in which Mr. Zhu and Mr. Ra do not sit together. Not together. Are you together? So therefore, the number of ways that Mr. Zhu and Mr. Ra do not sit together. I want to write together over there. Together is just equal to the total number of ways minus the number of ways that Mr. Zhu and Mr. Ra will sit together. Okay, the total number of ways, guys, it's just the 9 factorial we did calculate. Are you together? But the number of ways in which Mr. Zhu and Ra will sit together, it's basically 8 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. Are you together, guys? So this will just give us the total number of ways in which Mr. Zhu and Mr. Ra won't be sitting together. You can punch your calculator, guys. I don't know where mine is. That's why I'm leaving my answer as a factorial. Okay, and then now we are told that if we take the word history and arrange the letters in any order without repetition, what is the probability that the word will start with an H and end with an I? Okay, how many letters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The total number of ways, guys, that we can arrange this word is just 7 factorial ways. Are you together? So now we are looking for the possible outcomes. We are looking for the possible outcomes because the probability of event A happening is just the number of elements in A all over the number of elements in the sample space. Now, the number of elements in event A is an event such that our first letter will be H and our last letter will simply be Y. Are you together? So the other 5 letters, guys, will just keep on changing their positions. Does it make sense? So since we have 5 letters, that means we just have 5 factorial ways that they can be placed accordingly. So the answer over here is just 5 factorial divided by the sample space, which is 7 factorial. And this will just give us 1 over 7 times 6. That's 1 over 42. This will be your final answer, guys. Now, and then now we are told that Luke is an avid water polo player. Okay, and wants to know more about his supporters. At his high school, it is known that 54% of the learners are girls. The probability that a randomly chosen girl at the school attend a water polo match is 18%. Okay, and the probability that a randomly chosen boy at school has attended a water polo match is 42%. Determine the probability that a learner selected at random from the school has never attended a water polo match. Correct your answer into 4 decimal places. Okay, we have two types of learners, ne? We have girls and boys. We are told that 54% of them are girls, so the probability that a learner is a girl is just 0.45, and hence the probability that the learner is a boy is just 0.46. Are you together? So a learner will will attend a polo match, and then other learners do not attend polo matches. Are you together? A learner will attend a polo match, and then others choose not to attend a polo match. We are told that 18% of the girls are the one who attend, so the probability there is just 0.18. Remember that, guys, the probability of an event should be equal to 1, right? So that's why the probability over there will simply be 0.82. Are you together? Okay. If there's an 18% chance that a girl attends the match, that means 82%. There's an 82% chance that a female will never attend that match. Are you together? And then we are told that 42%. There's a 42% chance that a boy will attend that match, so the probability is just 0.42, and hence the other one is just 0.58. Are you together? So the possible outcomes that we have a girl, and that girl will attend a match, and we have a girl, and that girl will not attend a match. There's a boy who attends a match, and a boy who does not attend a match. Ne? They want us to determine the probability that a learner selected randomly from the school has never attended a water polo match. So we are looking for these two. Are you together? Because they didn't specify that provided that a learner is a girl or a learner is a boy. Are you together? So a learner can be a boy or a learner can be a girl. But bottom line is that they've never attended a polo match. Now, before we calculate, guys, let's find the possible probabilities over here. The probability that a learner, let me do this. The probability that a learner is a girl and they attend a polo match is just the product of the two, ne? It's just 0.54 multiplied by 0.18. And then the learner that is a girl and they've never attended a polo match, it's 0.54 multiplied by 0.82. And then over here, I simply have 0.46 multiplied by 0.42, and then 0.46 multiplied by 0.58. These probabilities, guys, should always sum up to 1, because the probabilities in a sample space should always be equal to 1. I'm only focusing on this and this one, guys. The probability that a learner has never attended, it's just the probability that a learner is a girl and never attended, or the learner is a boy and never attended. Are you together? So I'll simply take 0.54 multiplied by 0.82 plus 0.46 multiplied by 0.58. Are you together? And this, guys, I believe it will give you your final answer. I don't know where my calculator is, so please excuse me, guys. But whatever answer that you will punch, if you punch this correctly, believe me, I know you'll find a correct answer. So that's how, guys, you're supposed to tackle that question over there. So please, guys, do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you for your time.